show you how I like this little light that I just bought. So I'm going to show you the settings. I'm going to turn the light off. As you can see, I am in a dark room. It's a dark background, and this light really lights up my face. I love it. So I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so here is the dark room, and I'm going to turn it back on. So this is the lowest setting, and I'm going to turn it, make it brighter. So there it is, brighter, and I'm going to turn it up even more. It gets really bright. There it is, a little bit more, and I'm going to turn it all the way up to the highest setting. So that's how bright it gets, and it really is a powerful light. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit so it's not so bright. And I'm going to show you, it is a bicolor light. So right now I have it on the cool setting, but I'm going to turn it to warmer settings. Okay, that's as cool as it goes. I had it just a little bit past that. But this is the coolest setting. And then here's a little bit warmer. Has a nice glow. And I'm going to turn it all the way. That is the warmest setting. And I can definitely see a big difference. I can think of a lot of creative ways to use this light. And I like it. You can match the outside lighting or whatever lighting you're using. I really like it. So yeah, thank you for watching.